Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Right, Run, and click on Run. Right, Local App Data, and click on OK. Find the Steam folder and open it. Select everything inside the folder, right-click it, and click on Delete. And agree. Click on the Windows icon. Right, Run, and click on it. And write Steam flush config and click on OK. Open Computer. Open Drive. Open Program Files. Select Steam. Right-click it. Click on Properties. Find the option of Read Only and make sure to uncheck it. And click on Apply. And click on OK. Click on Security. Click on Edit and select Users. Click to allow full control and click on Apply. Go to the Steam folder. Now select all of the folders except Steam Apps and delete them. And select all of the files except Steam X and delete them. At the end, the folder should look like this. Open the Internet. Search for Microsoft Visual Redistributables. Open the page. Scroll down. And search for the latest version. Download the 86 and the 64 files. Open the 86 file and run the installer. And click on Repair or Install. Restart the computer. Now open the 64 file and run the installer. Click on Repair or Install. Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Right, Windows Security, and click on it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. In Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Scroll down. In Exclusions, click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Add an Exclusion and choose Folder. And make sure to select the Steam folder and click on Select Folder. Open the Steam folder. Select Steam, right-click it, click on Properties, click on Compatibility, and check the option to run this program as administrator. Click on Apply, click on OK. Open Steam, click on Steam, click on Settings, click on Downloads. Scroll down. In Clear Download Cache, click on Clear Cache and confirm. Click on Storage. Choose the drive in which you have your games installed. Click on the three dots and click on Repair Library. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.